guys, this video is really important for every artist. In this video, I am going to tell you a simple product which you can use it at home to protect your drawings for years. So now, let's start the video without wasting any time. Hey guys, this is Shruti and I am talking about how to protect your drawings in today's video. So the product I'm talking about is Fixative spray. Now I know you may have heard about this product because you have seen many artists spraying something on their drawing. So that is nothing but a fixative spray. So what this fixative spray does is it helps in protecting your drawing. That for example, if you are a graphite artist or if you are charcoal artist, you may know that charcoal and graphite smudge a lot, and this is the product I'm talking about, that is this fixative spray. This spray is available at Amazon, at Flipkart and at any market you have in your town, your city. So if you don't have at your city, make sure you buy it online because this is really important. So this fixative spray has many brands, like it have Arfina brand, like which I'm using this right now, and there are many brands like Brusto brands, Artist brands, many more. So I think this one is best because the quality of this is really good, and with that it's cheaper, so you can buy it easily. This the MRP of this product is 250 rupees. I have got it around 300 rupees including the shipping prices because I ordered it on Amazon. So I received it in really well condition, so you can just buy it from there. Before using this, I am going to tell you that make sure you read all the instructions here because these are really important while using any product. Like this product is highly inflammable, so just keep it away from kids and keep it away from fire. And the second thing is make sure you cover your nose while using this product because the smell of this product is really bad and it also can be dangerous for your nose and health because it has many chemicals in it which helps to protect your drawing, but it will not help to protect yourself. So make sure you wear a mask or you cover yourself with something by which the smell will not enter your body. This fixative spray is really important. What this fixative spray does, that when you spray it on your drawing will be fixed, like as its name says, that fixative, it will fix your drawing, and after that your graphite, your charcoal will not smudge at all. So there is a simple technique of using this fixative spray, and I'm going to tell you in this video ahead. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So here I have this beautiful portrait and I love this so much. This is one of my favorite, and I'm going to use this Arfina brand Artist Fixative spray. And here are some instructions. I am going to shake it well before using, otherwise it will create some white dots on your page. So make sure you shake it well. I'll shake it for about 1 to 2 minutes until all the chemicals inside it get mixed properly. And after that I am going to use it on my portrait. So I am going to show you 2 of my drawings using this fixative spray, how you have to use it. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And at the end of the video I am also going to give you an advice and a bonus tip. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. I think now it's time to spray it. So what you will do is you will keep a distance for about, as you can see how much distance I am keeping in between the spray and in between the portrait. You will keep such a distance because this includes fluid in it and it is water substance, so therefore you should keep it away from your portrait a bit. So now you will just press one time and you will spray it to your drawing like this in one way. You can also go slowly, but I will recommend you to go directly in one slot and directly spray all the thing on your portrait. So you can say this intensifies the colors too. This makes our shade darker and as well as it protects our drawing and makes our drawing fixed. And after using this drawing you can't make any changes to it, so make sure you just do it all well. And after using this you can see it gets a shinier substance. So now I'll just keep it aside, and here I have another beautiful portrait. This is Billie Eilish portrait. Again I'm going to do the same process. I am going to shake it nicely. Now if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Shruti Art for more videos like this. So as you can see, I'm just checking it well and I think it's time to spray it. Now I'm going to keep the same distance as I usually keep, because as I told you, it contains some water in it. So I will just spray it all over my portrait like this. And guys, I have covered my nose in this video, so make sure you also do, because the smell is really intense and it is really bad. And as you can see, I have sprayed. I'm going for the second coat now, and this intensifies the colors, as you can see right here. Now I have this portrait. Okay, I have applied the fixative spray. I just applied it in front of you, and now I am going to keep it all together like another portrait too. And you can see the first one is dried and the other one is, yeah, first one is dried. And you can see if I just rub my finger here, there will be no black graphite on my finger. So that's the advantage of fixative spray. So after doing both of this, here I have bought this bags, these plastic bags from market. You can get it like I got it for about 300 something rupees, and I got about 100 to 300 pieces. So it's really good offer, and I am just going to place my drawing in between this bag and just fold it from behind. I got this bags of A3 size because many of my drawings are of A3 size, so it's a good thing that if you keep a bigger polythene. So as you can see, I have this and I'm just going to fold it from behind, and as you can see here, my drawing is protected well. Now this drawing will not get destroyed, it will not get ruined at all. I have protected all my drawings like this, and as you can see, what I'm going to do is there's no any black graphite on my finger. Now I'm just applying one more coat because I think there's something like there is a bit of graphite which was remaining, some area was remaining for the fixative. So yes, now that's a final thing. So now I'm also going to apply bag on this portrait too. I am going to bring the portrait. So here you can see I'm just giving a final touch of the fixative and just spraying it a bit where the areas I have not done yet. So now here I have another bag, so I'm just going to place it again inside this bag. So here I have my drawing, I'm just going to keep it inside. And I have bunch of drawing, guys, which I have kept like this only inside the bag, which helps the drawing to be preserved for years, and this helps a lot. And whenever my next video is also going to be about how I pack my commission work. So if you want to see that, you can just subscribe Shruti Arts and press the bell icon. And if you like this video and find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Shruti Arts and share this video with all artists. And do tell me in the comments that how is this video, and thank you for watching.